All right, welcome back to the channel. We are back down at the cabin today, and I ordered something I'd been seeing on Facebook and wanting to try it out for a while. A buddy of mine at work kept pressuring me, saying, "Hey, dude, you need to get this. You need to get this." So I finally ordered it. It came in. We're going to put it together and then see the progress of how this actually works, or if it doesn't. So what I got was, and I'll turn you around here so you can see it. But right there, that is one of the Tectonic daytime feeders. So it is supposed to be, it looks like a deadfall tree. It'll hold up to, as you see, 350 pounds of corn. But it's made to have the doors open and close on it. So essentially you can train your deer to only come to this when they're open, and you can train it, you can set it to where it's daytime only. So we are going to get this. I just got it in, so we're going to open up this box, see what has in it, and then go from there. We're down here at the cabin. It's kind of cold. It's been flurrying on and off. I did get a fire going, so I do have that, but I'm going to get into unboxing this and let's see what we got. So Tectonic daytime deadfall feeder. Let's see if this thing works. All right, so let's like I said, I did open it up just to see. I didn't know if the battery was inside of it or not, and I don't see that, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. But as you see, the little bit of the advertisement on the back there, you can close it at nighttime, opening it during the day. So let's see what's inside the box. All right, so as I see, it's a hard plastic. It's packed in there pretty good. This is it's a linear actuator, but this is, I guess, what's going to open and close the doors or the lids on this. So I'm going to set this over here on the picnic table, and then I'm not sure what this is. We'll open that up here in just a minute as well. But yeah, inside the box, it's pretty basic. Looks like that's a lid on the doors. So I'm gonna turn you guys around here. Looks like that's another door there. Some of the side pieces. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but as I look at that right there, can you guys see that? It's pretty warped. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I guess we'll find out when I try to put this together. Again, it is pretty cold, so it's not going to be very pliable. That's another side panel, looks like, and it's the same, kind of warped a little bit, so maybe it's supposed to be like that. All right, correction, they did send me the battery, so I apologize for that one. Looks like this is the battery. Like I said, I hadn't opened this up yet, but this is a 12-volt battery. Cool. So anyway, I got the battery. I'm going to set that on the table over here too. The rest of these panels. So it looks like that says floor and the side on it, so that must be part of the bottom. Got a checklist. All right, another piece there, and then I would imagine these are the round ends. There's one, and this one has got what appears to be the controls. Must be a motor in there that are going to open and close the doors. So that must be look at that here. I'm not sure what that is. This is the other linear actuator that will open up the other door. Set that next to this one. The all-important instructions. All right, I'm going to look these over and then see how easy this is to put together. All right, stay tuned. So what it is, I have these, I don't know if those pegs are supposed to go on the inside or outside of these slots. I'm assuming this one's tapered. I guess it goes like that. So it slides down in there. Tapered. All right, so you can see that now those are in. This is where they snap in down here, but it doesn't tell you like what the angle is on the instructions. Anyway, I got it. So that's those two. All right, next it says snap the floor into the 6 and 7. So this is the floor. So this is the floor here. So it's going to go in there like this. Let's get that part. Let's put the other wall on. I mean, there's not very many pieces, so it shouldn't be this hard. Oops. Obviously, this is going to go like this. I know it's code, so that's part of the reason why it's harder to get these things. They don't want to move very much, or they don't want to help me. But now I got to figure out how this thing goes on. So this is going to go like this somehow. But how? done with that. It was very difficult because there's the molded parts of the where they're supposed to line up. They're, I don't know what spec they would have to be in, but they weren't straight. One side they were hanging down farther than the other, so I got it together, but that is too tight. There's the controller.
All right, there it is. It is complete and put together. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to go set it out in an area where I already had a feeder and fill it up with a mixture of corn and some mineral pellets. But before you guys do that, make sure you check your state's regulations to make sure it's legal to do that. I'm in Kentucky here at this property, so I can feed not all the way through the year, but it's still legal now. So check your regulations so you don't get in trouble for that. But anyway, there it is. I'm going to go set it out, so stay tuned for that video, and let's see the progress, see how this works. All right, thank you guys for watching.